Hello and welcome, grade school students. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of our own bodies and learn about the different parts that make us unique. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with me? Let's start by understanding the three main parts of our body: the limbs, the trunk, and the head. Our limbs are the parts of our body that help us move and do different activities. We have two upper limbs, also called arms, and two lower limbs, also known as legs. Let's take a closer look at them. Our arms are attached to our shoulders. They are essential for various tasks like holding, grabbing, and carrying things. We can wave hello or play catch with our arms. Raise your arms and give them a little wiggle. Great job! Our legs are our body's foundation. They help us stand, walk, run, and jump. Without legs, it would be challenging to move around freely. Stand up for a moment and jump up and down using your legs. Excellent. The trunk is the central part of our body. It holds everything together and protects many vital organs like the heart, lungs, and stomach. It's like a protective shield that keeps our organs safe. Let's all touch our trunks, which is in the middle of our body from the chest to the waist. Now, let's move on to our head. Our head is at the top of our body, and it's where many important things are located. Can anyone tell me what parts are in our head? Some of the essential parts of our head are the brain, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. The brain helps us think and make decisions. Our eyes enable us to see. The nose helps us smell. The mouth helps us eat and speak. And our ears allow us to hear sounds. Let's touch our heads gently to feel the shape of our skull. Now that we've learned about our body parts, let's talk about how to take care of them. It's important to keep our limbs, trunk, and head healthy and strong. We do this by eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. We should also remember to protect our body parts. For example, when using our arms and legs, we should be careful not to hurt them. We can wear helmets when riding bicycles to safeguard our heads. We should also brush our teeth twice a day to keep our mouth clean and healthy. In conclusion, our bodies are made up of amazing parts, like limbs, the trunk, and the head. Knowing about our body parts helps us understand how they work. Let's take good care of them by eating well, exercising, and practicing good hygiene. I hope you enjoyed learning about our body parts today. Remember to take care of your body because it's the only one you have. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!